Geneva, Switzerland. Here, buried over 300 feet beneath the Earth and covering a remarkable 17-mile expanse, is the largest and most complex machine ever created, the Large Hadron Collider, or LHC. Smashing tiny protons together at speeds of nearly 670 million miles per hour, the LHC creates such intense energy that some people are afraid it could actually create a black hole and swallow up the entire Earth.
The Large Hadron Collider is a real triumph of human civilization. It's easily the most complicated and powerful device that the human beings have ever built. You're actually firing two protons into each other and having them collide with an enormous release of energy, recreating conditions in a very small area similar to the Big Bang in its very earliest instant.
It is a bit like going back in time towards the Big Bang or the beginning of the universe, getting to points in the history of the universe where the energies were that high.
On July 4th, 2012, thousands crowded outside an auditorium at the European Organization for Nuclear Research, or CERN, to hear the announcement of the LHC's first major finding. Streaming the event live across the world, scientists prepared to reveal a discovery that could solve a decades-old mystery about the nature of our universe.
The atmosphere in the room was incredible. It was not like a normal physics symposium or seminar. It was truly something of completely different magnitude was going to be announced. That it is completely extraordinary, which it was.
What the scientists at CERN had discovered was a tiny bit of matter that some call the God particle.
Scientists around the world celebrated the discovery of the God particle as a milestone in human knowledge and thought that it's going to open up new layers of our understanding of reality.
But just what is the so-called God particle? And what is it telling us about the universe? Known in the scientific community as the Higgs boson, the particle was first theorized by physicist Peter Higgs in 1964. Its discovery confirms the existence of an invisible force throughout the universe, known as the Higgs field. Scientists believe when particles interact with this field, they acquire mass, which slows them down and allows them to form matter, such as planets and stars.
There's great excitement in the scientific community because the Higgs field permeates all of space-time. It's possible, theoretically, to effectively switch off the mass of particles and achieve near light speed very easily. This could open up not only the planets, but the stars to human exploration.
Whether it's through science, religion, philosophy, or the ancient astronaut theory, the fact is we are all seeking answers to the same questions. Who are we? Where did we come from? And ultimately, where are we going? And so we celebrate a discovery like the Higgs boson or God particle because it brings us that much closer to answering the questions that have fascinated humanity for thousands